Screen recording plus.
Yeah. Hello guys, it's me Shashank and I'm back with another challenge video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out of any video. In this video we are going to do the random glider challenge. So first of all, I'll tell you the rules if you're new to the challenge. We have all the rarity gliders, which is the uncommon, the common, uncommon,
Shashank, can
rare,
you hear me? Can you hear me?
epic, the legendary,
Shashank?
and the iconic series and Star Wars glider will be the mythic weapons. So we are going to choose all the rarity. So which rarity glider we get, we are going to use that rarity weapon only. So let's start.
Shashank,
Huh?
you can hear me, right?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
are you playing?
Fortnite.
I'm coming in. I'm in.
Hey guys.
So this is Kabir, one of my society
Squad.
friends. Make sure you like and subscribe to his channel also. The link will be in the description down below. Everybody ready up. So as you can see, the event is in 8 days, which is going to be next Saturday. So I'll be filming, so make sure you watch that video also.
Kabir, you made your channel?
Yes.
So let's start with the game. So actually I'll put some
Where are we
twist
going?
in this game. If we like get the mythic weapon, then first of all we can use any rarity gun until unless we kill the boss. And if we like have a epic weapon and we only need to take if we like need to take the epic weapon, so we like need to and we got the rare weapon. So what we can do is that we can upgrade the rare weapon into the epic weapon. So it will be a little easy for us.
Where are we going? Where are we going?
Risky.
Risky, okay.
Hot drop. Oh, Star
Market.
Wars. Yes, Star Wars.
Guys, let's go to PP. Not risky, man. Let's go.
Yeah, bro, you are free to go.
Risky will be more hot drop.
You will be free to go.
PP.
Bro,
just mark it, just mark it.
As well, man. Let's go PP.
Market.
Yeah, marked it.
Okay, do you know what gliders you have, everyone?
No, I don't know. Let me jump.
I have the
Oh, I have the
one.
victory umbrella.
Let's go, guys. I have rare.
I'll get a purple
Let's get
weapon.
this.
I have the umbrella.
No, I need to use
I
a
have
grey weapon. I need
have
to use the
blue
grey
rare.
weapon.
Dude, I'm going doghouse.
I'm going the white house.
Okay, we have to go where.
Hey, there are henchmen at here at PP, right?
Yeah, so you can take the sniper.
Yes.
You can take the sniper.
I'm going in this house under me.
I'm going into the purple house. Purple mark.
I'm in the same house as you, but below Shashank.
There's a person
Oh,
near the
legendary
chopper.
chest. Bro, I have a RPG for you.
Okay, keep anything for me. Because I'm
If you
still
get a
in
grey weapon, give it to me, bro.
What rarity do you have, Advik? You can't take Advik.
Advik can only take grey
Just a
weapon.
minute. I'm
Bro,
coming,
let
I'm
him
coming,
take
I'm
any
coming.
weapon he needs.
Just keep something for me.
Please.
Kabir, there's a green weapon for you up. Okay, you need a blue weapon.
Yes.
I need a
Do you
green
have
weapon.
any this thing? I need a gun. I only have a rocket launcher.
Hey, you can't take Advik. What color glider do you have?
Okay, there are people over
I
here.
have
Be
golden.
careful.
The firing, Shashank, the firing is me. I don't have any weapon.
Even I don't have.
Kabir, stay near me.
Loot. Can someone find me something? Blue weapon.
Me too.
Have
Does
a
your
blue
shorty ammo no?
weapon. Oh shit,
Kill.
someone's firing at me.
Yeah,
I
even
don't
I.
have weapons.
We need to rush. Bro, I have 9 bullets left.
Yeah, someone's firing at
Let's
I'm
go.
just you're running to my left. Just need to find a blue weapon.
Please, for
I
gray,
need
gray,
something,
gray,
I
gray,
have
gray.
nothing.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
No.
Yeah, I just got ammos.
Advik, what rarity are you allowed?
I don't need it. I need ammo.
Come on.
I need
have
shotgun
BS,
ammo.
Seriously. Give me a gun.
Can you-
please.
Can you give
Come
me
play
something? I have nothing.
Need weapon.
Kabir, where are you?
Everybody searching for a
I
weapon,
have
dude.
no weapons either.
Me.
Advik, I cannot shoot you.
I'm searching for
I have
shotgun
no
ammo.
weapons, I'm running to my left. I have decoys. I have
Oh, let's go shotgun ammo.
weapons unless I have. Can someone please?
I have nothing. Can someone give me
Bro,
something?
blue weapon, you'll get
I'm
it.
coming.
You'll get it near the henchman layer. Go into the henchman layer.
Yeah, but how will I defend myself in that?
Yeah, bro, I'm coming for you. Wait.
I have nothing. Can someone
There'll
help
be
me?
one green AR for you, blue AR for you.
Advik,
See, Kabir, there's a blue weapon over here. Kabir, there's a blue weapon
Ooh,
over here.
yes. I got a harpoon gun.
Kabir, blue.
Thank you. Thank you.
Where are y'all?
Give me that gun.
Where are y'all?
Advik, you're only allowed to cover Friday.
Oh shit! Is it dry day today?
Green
Yeah, I.
medkits.
Can someone give me something?
Oh, medkit, 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 medkit.
Advik, what?
No.
Advik, what level do you have?
What? What happened? I need something.
Kabir, another blue weapon.
Yeah. Got an SMG. Are we taking the chopper?
Hey, Advik, I don't think you know what we're doing.
Yeah, he does not know what to do.
What?
Come on, dude. Is there any henchman?
No, you
What
can
are we
disguise.
doing?
Wait, I'll disguise. Oh! No, I have.
Random boss.
Get a henchman.
What
No, we are
happened?
random. We are, Kabir, he does not
No,
have
there's
any
someone
glider
there.
only.
There's someone there.
He does not have any glider. Oh, medkit, thank you.
There are two people fighting.
Okay, what happened? Just tell me.
Wait, I have.
Here, I'm giving you mine then.
Tell me what all I can take.
You can take whatever you want. Take whatever you want.
Okay.
Okay, there are two
Where are
guys.
you? Should I take the XP?
Yeah, you can.
What one to 31? Dude, I want to
Oh, he has blue weapons. Kabir, he has blue weapons.
Yeah, blue weapon.
There's a big pot and a blue AR.
Yeah, thank you.
I need a big
See, I
pot.
gave you minis
I need
also.
a big pot.
I need minis.
I gave you.
Look at me, I'm fighting two squads here. What the hell?
Should I take the chopper? Can I take
No,
the
no,
chopper?
no.
This guy's good.
Huh?
Yes,
Can I take the chopper?
No!
Someone coming from a boat. Be careful.
Shake him down, shake him down. Oh, I need SMG, I need SMG.
You
Thanks.
all are very far away from me.
I have a uncommon glider, the common glider, I mean, the victory umbrella. Victory umbrella.
Even I have a victory umbrella.
Okay, everyone reveal what color you're allowed. I'm allowed blue. Shashank, you are?
Purple, I mean, grey. Grey is quite better than any other weapon because grey is not rare. It is like a sidekick.
There's
Yeah.
someone in front of me.
So kill him.
What?
Okay. Who was that?
You guys are changing machine or shit? Where's the changing machine?
I'm firing.
Who's firing?
Oh, that's you're in front of me.
Yes, that's me.
I can take rocket launchers, right?
Yes.
Kabir, big pot.
Come on,
Kabir, big pot.
I've got iPhone network.
And a mini for you. Kabir, come down.
Down where?
In the henchman base.
Shooting at me.
Okay, where are you?
Henchman base.
Why you all?
He's mine. My kill. I called it.
Yo, does anyone want a purple AK? I hate the AK. I prefer a rifle.
Bro, you can like change it into a scar. Side grade into a
I
scar.
got oh.
What was that?
Oh, purple tap. Let's go. Thank you. Players.
Bro, you cannot take it.
Medkit. There's a medkit here, guys.
Kabir, come down quickly. Okay, I have a scar.
There's a medkit here, though.
I have a scar. I have a scar. What should I do?
Someone has a pot.
Purple scar, of course. Kabir, come over here. Come over here. I have a mini and a big pot for you.
I'm below you.
Where?
Have a scar.
Yeah, I have a scar.
Shashank, I can't see you.
Who
Where
can
are
use
you?
it? No one can use it.
See, I have a scar.
Player. Another player.
Someone give me this. Oh man.
Someone's here. I got him.
Kabir, come
You got
down.
him, right?
Hasta la vista.
Shit. Okay, I did not take fall damage. Cool.
Chill, dude. Chill.
I thought I took fall damage.
Oh,
KK.
got him.
KKB, come down.
Let's play,
Yeah.
let's play.
KK, come
We
down.
have to kill this.
Bro, shake him down.
Maybe it's still- No, he was the last guy. I killed all of them.
Yeah.
KK, come down.
What's up, bot? Oh no.
Oh shit, someone.
I need a bot.
Hey, harpoon gun.
See, bro, there's a scar over
Yeah, I
here.
had a.
I just want a
I'm taking the
scar.
harpoon.
You can take the harpoon gun.
Yeah.
Kabir, come down
You
quick.
guys, how many kills you got?
I have 4 kills.
Where are you?
Over here, over here.
Oh, I got set.
Yes, yes,
First thing I
Come
need
in-
is
come
a
over
pot. I need a pot.
What up?
Drink the mini and the pot.
Just a
I'm
minute.
carrying harpoon.
Bro,
Let's
just
go.
Fight up.
bro, take the mini first, yeah.
All good, everyone.
Okay, where is the thing?
With thing.
The
Oh,
pot.
Advik, use the scar. You can use it.
Human, what about you? Where does that come from,
Okay,
man?
Shashank, I'm not able to see you. Where are you?
I am. Where are you first?
Any more players?
See, Advik, take the scar. Scar le Advik, scar.
Looks like everyone landed here.
Stop. Yeah, we all have got 14 kills.
No! I
The
got 8 and the whole team got 15.
The total score is 14.
15.
14.
14. Fire. I'm coming.
Bro, I'm farming mats.
No, I heard fire.
If no one wants that scar, I'll happily take it.
Of course you can. Of course you can take it. No, there
What
is
the hell is it?
down. Advik took it.
Got it.
Let's move.
Where, bro? We are like in the tail of the zone. Bro, don't go for the
You
drop.
can ask some medium ammo. I got only 54.
Let's go to Salty. Shashank, medicine call.
Okay, yeah.
You are carrying.
Yep.
You guys are going.
Where are you
We're
going?
moving to Salty. Salty.
Bro, no need for the drop.
Where are you all?
Hard. I hate my weapon. Let's try to grab the weapon.
Can you give me a
clutch.
this? Can you give me a?
I drop.
What?
Can you give me a this thing? A bot.
Hey, there's a supply drop here.
Yeah, you can take the pot from the supply drop. But first drink minis.
Yeah, otherwise it will just be a waste.
True.
Is it landed yet? No.
No. Bro, let's build around it, but.
Let's fire at it. Will someone give me AR ammo, please?
Oh no.
Everybody come down. Don't be scared. Oh, I need to break the whole wall. Okay, you edited it. That's cool. The drops here. Welcome aboard, drop. Launchpad is mine. Hey, you got the pot?
No, I didn't.
Man.
I took the launch pad, man. No, I did not take the launch pad.
You can't take both. You're taking the crash pads and the launch pad. No.
Okay, I don't know. Crash. I have the crash pad.
Yeah.
And I
give
don't need the crash
Bro,
pad.
leave it.
Give the jump pad.
It's called a
I
launch
need
pad.
a pot.
So we are
I
searching
need
for
a
a pot.
Actually, you need pods, but you have to give me the what do you call the launch pad.
You all fight. Me and Kabir are going for the other drop. I'll
Yeah, let's
take
try
a
and
scooter.
get it. I'm gonna
Nah, no need.
Someone been here.
Why?
Or it was a chest that you all had opened.
No, it was already open.
You know everyone is in a line now.
That you see in the map, but it's not actual.
Someone is
Hey,
there.
be careful, be careful, be careful.
Someone is there. Someone is here.
I need to kill him, please. I will
Bro, he's low, he's low, he's low.
need to deal damage to players with salt.
Bro,
Where
but
is
the
the
guy
person?
needs to be in salty, Kabir. The guy needs to be in salty.
This guy is mine. I need to deal damage to players with salty spring.
Bro, you're not in salty springs now. The guy needs to be in salty springs.
No, this also counts.
No, this does not count. I've tried it.
Please don't attack him. Oh,
Oh shit! Oh, Darius can take it. Uh-huh.
what loot?
What happened?
He had a golden
You
scar.
want the golden star?
No. Yeah, I want it, but I
think
cannot
this
take
is
it.
the golden star.
I
What
want
a
it, but I
golden
cannot.
star.
Everybody wants it, but nobody
Yeah,
can
but
take it.
Does anyone have any
Did I put
hands? Really no.
I have only 157 wood.
Thanks.
Oh, there's god loot over here. Advik, there's a pot for you over here.
Advik, go for the big board. Me and Rahim will take this guy.
Advik, idhar aa.
Got him.
हाँ, I'm lagging a little, so okay, wait. I'm
There's
coming.
another one here. Another
किधर
two
है?
Come follow me.
किधर है?
Follow me, follow me.
Lot of guys with me.
I killed him.
First drink the minis. Advik, first drink the minis. First drink the minis.
Guys, there's a lot
Where
of
are
loot
you?
here.
Over here, over here, over
Where are
here.
you?
Over here, behind you.
His teammates are here.
First drink these minis. Advik, first drink these minis.
Blue here.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit. I found them.
Sorry.
I've got him. Out there. Out there.
Drink another one. Huh. Now then drink the pot. Take the pot, drop the minis. Drop the minis.
Wait, leave him. And the mine. I need
Yeah, now drink the pot. Drink the pot, Advik. Drink it.
Yo, I got him.
Hello. Drink it. Drink it.
You dude, I got really good loot. Haha.
Advik, why are you dropping the pot? Drink the pot.
Shashank, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You're done. Now run.
Yeah, I was not able to hear.
Now let's rush them. Bro, there's like a chopper above
Where are we
us.
going now?
We have only 3 people left.
Shit. It was up the hill when I killed him. He dropped a blue air, but I accidentally swapped it for a pump.
Okay, I need at least 1 kill, okay?
Yo,
I
how
have
many
seven-
kills
I have
you on?
I have
One.
7, no 6. I
I
have
have 7. I have
That's a drop,
6. Yeah, you know, I have 6.
I
Shashank,
don't. I
just
don't.
leave something for me.
Yeah, you can take the loot.
I got 10.
I just want the map.
Sashang got 4
Shit.
and
There's someone there.
got 6. Nice.
Bro, I have 5. Bro, what the hell?
Shake him.
You got it?
Yeah, I got him. Gotcha, boy. Oh, his one teammate is over there. I just need to eat a
This one is
mushroom.
mine.
1 or 2 mushrooms. One more.
One of them is
There's
in
a
the
lot
house
of things.
and
Yeah, there's a lot of things.
Oh,
the guy
Kabir?
at 40 is mine. He's firing at me. Open my bro.
Okay, the zone is coming.
Karan,
You think?
Leave the zone. Get the kill, man. Surprise! Got it.
bro, shook it. Okay, the solo guy's in the chopper. There's a chopper. Hit the chopper. Hit the
Get
chopper.
kill. Where is it?
Up.
Get. Come shoot it. I see.
Me too.
Bro, destroy it.
Where, but?
Up.
Where is Shashank? Where are you? Shashank? Okay, you're there. Kill the chopper.
Yeah,
you
destroy
shoot
it.
the
Destroy
chopper.
it. Destroy it. Bro, it should not come
What
down.
is that noise?
Let's rush that.
Okay, I'm coming towards you. Nine.
Oh, he's going for the. He's going for the water. He's going for water.
I see him down.
Where are they?
He's there.
Aura one. Ooh, yeah, I got a rocket launcher.
Let's go.
Nice.
Ooh, yes.
Oh, he had two. He had Sky's car and
Call me up, boy. No, it's
Try me.
He